Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 11, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 10th row, we have 6 or 9. So 6 or 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 7, 5. Column E, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 8, 2. Column I, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, we have 7, 2, 9. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. This cell, it will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only 1 number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade and 8th row, we have 4 and 6. 5th row also, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D and 4th row, second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 6. 9th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 9. Column D also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Second row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then second row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column which, third row we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Ninth row, sixth row we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 7. Fourth grid we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Ninth row we have 3 and 7, so 3 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. The ninth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. The ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column J, we have 1 and 5, so 1 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. And second row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Third grid, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Ninth grid, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Seventh grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then first grid, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Fourth grid, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column H, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column H, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.